In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to back up your Apple Watch. So your Apple Watch backs up automatically, but it's linked to your iPhone backup. So you can't manually back up the watch on its own. Here's how it works and how to make sure your data is safe. So how Apple Watch backups works. Your Apple Watch automatically backs up to your paired iPhone whenever they're near each other. And the iPhone backup, iCloud or iTunes Finder includes Apple Watch data. When you unpair the watch, it creates a fresh backup on the iPhone. Now, if you want to back up the Apple Watch manually, let's see how you can do that. All you have to need, keep iPhone and Apple Watch close together and then open the watch app on your iPhone. And here select my watch at the bottom left and in here tap on all watches and here you'll find your watch. Just tap on this info button next to the watch you want to back up and here scroll down all the way to the bottom and just tap on unpair Apple Watch and this automatically creates a final backup on your iPhone and then repair if needed. You can restore from the backup and that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.